Java program to add two numbers using scanner-in method. Algorithm. Start. Create a scanner object to read user input. Prompt the user to enter the first number. Read the first number from the user. Prompt the user to enter the second number. Read the second number from the user. Call the add numbers method to add the two numbers. Print the sum of the two numbers. End. Procedure. Open the IDE of your choice. Create a new Java project. Create a new Java class. Copy and paste the above code into your class. Run the program. Enter the first number when prompted. Enter the second number when prompted. View the output. Sudo code. Start. Create a scanner object. Print, enter the first number. Read num1. Print, enter the second number. Read num2. Set sum equals add numbers. num1, num2. Print, the sum of plus num1 plus and plus num2 plus is plus sum. End. Function add numbers. X, Y. Set sum equals x plus y. Return sum. End. Java code. Import Java. Util. Scanner. Public class main. Public static void main. String. args. Scanner input equals new scanner. System.in. System.out. Print. Enter the first number. Int num1 equals input. Next int. System.out. Print. Enter the second number. Int num2 equals input. Next int. Int sum equals add numbers. num1, num2. System.out. Print ln, the sum of plus num1 plus and plus num2 plus is plus sum. Closing curly bracket. Public static int add numbers. Int x, int y. Int sum equals x plus y. Return sum. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. Enter the first number. 5. Enter the second number. 7. The sum of 5 and 7 is 12.